We're at the 37th annual Big Bird Run in Roseville, Michigan, and we just found a whole bunch of people who call themselves Team Buckland.
Team Buckland, yes! Yeah! Why would that be? Why would that be, Jenny?
And right here we have this guy. What's your name?
Team Buckland.
And rumor has it you ran the first Big Bird?
Around 1982.
1982. What was that first one like? Do you remember?
Yeah, not really.
Well, in the meantime, you have a huge family. Tell us a little bit about this family.
They're wonderful people.
Of course. And where are you from now?
Roseville.
Roseville. Okay. And so how many of them are your offspring?
Direct offspring, I had 8
8?
children.
8?
7 daughters.
Okay.
I think they're all here.
$7
And one guy.
Yeah, and guy. Yeah. Sorry, Chuck.
Well, you know, I'm one of 8, so I get 8. That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, congratulations. So I see quite a few numbers. So are you going to run or walk today?
I'm going to walk, yep.
Okay. There's his number. All right.
He's a jolly good fellow, all right? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's a jolly good fellow.
Oh, for he's a jolly good fellow.
He's a jolly good fellow.
But
nobody can deny.
Yes. Yeah, let's hear it. Team London. Yes, yes. London Bridge is not coming down. Not now. Not in this group.
37th annual Big Bird Run, and with us is the mayor of Roseville, Robert Taylor. And you've been busy today. I've seen you running around doing all kinds of things.
I've been helping out. I'm a member of the Roseville Optimist Club also, and we were out helping direct traffic, make sure that all the runners were safe, and just making sure this is a great and fun event for the city.
Well, it's an amazing event, and one of the things that we're always impressed by is the community engagement here. The community helps the race run smoothly, as you said, but the race gives back to quite a few service clubs.
Oh, that's correct. We give back to the Roseville Kiwanis Club, the Roseville Optimist Club, the Recreation Authority, and the proceeds go to help our children in the community with different sporting events. It's for some of the needy children that aren't able to play sports or can't afford sports. We try to make sure that all of our children in Roseville and Eastpointe are allowed to participate so that they can be part of our community.
So the Optimist Club does those things, and specifically what is the Optimist Club doing here in Roseville?
Well, our Optimist Club in Roseville, what we do is, like I said earlier, we help our children in Roseville. We participate in Law Enforcement Day. What we do is we promote a good community. We have an oratorical where our students actually write essays, and then they're graded by the teachers at the schools, and then they're given awards. We have a golf outing, annual golf outing that I chair every year, and the proceeds from that go to the Roseville Scholarship Foundation at the school, and it also goes to the Roseville Recreation Authority, where they use the proceeds to help different events for the kids, the Handicap Association. We're just involved in the whole community. It's just a wonderful group of people, and I'm just very proud to be a part of it.
You know, I can't think of a community it would be more fun to be the mayor of, but it's also really busy, I imagine.
It's very busy. We have a very busy community. We have a very loyal community, and we are trying to do everything to make sure that the people in Roseville have a great place to live, a safe place to live. We're working on some great things for the future, and I'm looking forward to doing everything I can to make this place a great place for everybody to live.
Well, it's always fun to come to Roseville and see the community make the Big Bird Run happen. Thank you so much for everything you do.
Thank you very much for having me, and I want to thank everybody that was able to come out today, and thank all the volunteers, the Rec Authority, even just the fans that came out to watch their children, watch the runners. It's just great to see everybody out here. I'm very fortunate. I live directly across from the finish line, so I've been able to watch this race for the 36 years that we've had it. I participated once, but I have more fun watching and helping, though. But thank you for coming out, and thanks for everything.
You know, helping is participating too, so there you go.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Great.
I love it.